Hey, I'm Stephanie, and I want to tell you about the Oaxaca Weaving and Mezcal Retreat. This is a weaving I did in Oaxaca when I was there a few years ago, and ever since I went on this self-guided retreat, I really wanted to take some other people with me so they could see what it's like to go down to Oaxaca, go to the weaving village in Teotitlán, taste mezcal, go to a distillery, and just experience all the culture and artistry that Oaxaca has to offer. So I planned this retreat, and it's taken me a while to put it all together because I want to make sure it's really special. But I wanted to tell you a little bit about it because I really hope you can come and join me. This is an example of something I weaved using Zapotec techniques, and this is all naturally dyed wool, so you'll be able to create something like this and pick out your own colors of naturally dyed wool that are all dyed on site. We'll have workshops in the morning, and then we'll break for lunch at the studio, and then have some free time every day and gather again for dinners. We'll also have some mezcal tastings and visit a mezcal distillery, and some other fun things like probably go to the botanical gardens and the textile museum in Oaxaca, which is amazing. The retreat is over Labor Day weekend. It starts Wednesday, August 28th in the evening, and will go through Monday, September 2nd. The price includes all of the workshops, your food, transportation within Oaxaca, and the hotel. Being Mexican American, it's really important to me to be able to share this experience with you because I think Mexico is just a really amazing place, and Oaxaca in particular is a very diverse state with lots of different creative activities and creative experts. So to be able to go there and learn from weavers who have been doing this technique for centuries is really awesome, and to learn specifically from a Zapotec family in a Zapotec weaving village in Teotitlán is really special. So I really hope you can join us, and please let me know if you have any questions.